Hey there, viewers. Today I want to share some research about how beans might help you live longer. An international team of epidemiologists discovered that elderly people who eat more beans tend to live longer. They followed 785 people over age 70 for 7 years. Their findings were clear. The more beans these seniors ate each day, the lower their chance of dying during the study period. The researchers collected data for the World Health Organization's food habits in later life study. This research aimed to confirm findings from the famous 7-country study conducted by Ansel Keys in the 1960s. That earlier research identified what we now call the Mediterranean diet, which includes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, moderate amounts of chicken, fish, and eggs, small amounts of dairy, limited red meat, and moderate olive oil consumption. The study examined 5 groups of people over 70 years old from Japan, Sweden, Australia, and Greece. These countries are known for their population's longevity, especially among those who follow healthy eating patterns. The results were striking. Bean intake emerged as the strongest predictor of survival. For every 20 grams of beans the elderly participants ate daily, their chance of dying decreased by 8%. This was more significant than any other food studied. Fish and shellfish came in second place. Every 20 grams of fish and shellfish consumed daily reduced mortality risk by 6%. This included foods like mussels, prawns, lobster, and calamari. The researchers also examined fat consumption patterns. They looked at the ratio between monounsaturated fats found in olive oil and canola oil versus saturated fats found in processed foods, dairy, and meat. This ratio varied from 0.7 in Sweden to 1.8 in Greece. Interestingly, when researchers controlled for ethnicity and location, the effect of this ratio disappeared, suggesting that the benefits of monounsaturated fats are likely part of broader, healthy eating patterns. Higher legume intake is the most protective dietary predictor of survival amongst the elderly, regardless of their ethnicity, the researchers concluded. This finding remained true even after controlling for age, gender, and smoking habits. Legumes have long been associated with cultures known for longevity. Japanese diets feature soy tofu natto and miso. Swedes commonly eat brown beans and peas. Mediterranean diets include lentils, chickpeas, and white beans. These traditional eating patterns have supported health and longevity for generations. Bean protein also offers surprising muscular benefits. While the biological value of bean protein is lower than animal proteins, it can still support muscle development. This makes beans particularly valuable for vegans looking to maintain or build muscle mass. Beans and legumes also support weight management. Replacing some or all of your pasta, rice, and potatoes with peas, kidney beans, white beans, or other legumes can help reduce body fat. Legumes provide filling fiber and protein while having a lower impact on blood sugar than many other carbohydrates. Research also suggests that diets rich in beans, fermented dairy products, fruits, coffee nuts, and seaweed may delay aging at the cellular level by protecting telomeres, which are protective caps on our chromosomes that shorten as we age. Thanks so much for watching today. If you want to boost your longevity, consider adding more beans to your meals. I'll see you next time.